Here we are at another rodent detection. Here, this customer has spent 3.5 years dealing with noises in the walls and the ceilings, and lately very active underneath the tub. There's plenty of experts that have come in, plumbers, roofers, rodent companies. No one's been able to figure out where they're coming in. So today we're gonna go ahead and open up where we got smoke coming out. And I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the affected bathroom that's constantly getting that activity. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you our process of finding where those rats are getting in. So let's get right to it. All right, so let's put our shoe covers and let's go in. All right, so here we are in the bathroom that has the constant activity. And we went ahead and went on the roof, ran our micro camera, our smoke, and underneath this tub in the crawl space, we were able to see the smoke coming out. So what that's telling us is there's something going on in this wall right here. I'm actually here with our customer, Sandy, and she'd like to take a moment and kind of share her frustrations with this 3.5-year process.
Yeah, I've been started noticing rodents in the house about 3.5 years ago, and so I called first a rodent company. They came out and did all the stuff. They couldn't find very many openings, but they blocked the ones they could. It didn't stop it. They gave a yeoman's try for about 8 months. I then tried a second company and then a third company. Ended up going back to the first company who brought in some plumbers, other plumbers, and we just have made no progress and I've spent close to $4,000 in the last 3.5 years trying to solve this problem. So I'm very excited that we might finally be on a solution here, and I'm very confident that we're going to solve this problem.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sandy. We're going to go ahead and get started.
All right.
All right, folks, so here we are on the outside. Now, the reason why we're here outside versus inside is because it's a lot less expensive to open up the stucco and replace it. We don't want to go inside of a home and start tearing out tile because of the cost factor. Not only that, because it's a tub, it should have a proper access panel. So right here, what we've done is we've measured precisely where we're getting the smoke underneath the crawl space, which is right here. The other benefit of having this access panel is that we're able to treat our enzyme because we are getting a urine defecation smell from the rodents in this area right here. So this is going to allow us access underneath the tub to HEPA-vac and treat the affected area with our enzymes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up and figure out where those broken pipes are. So let's get right. Guys, let's see what we find here. Come a little closer. All right, so look at what they've done. They've taken the insulation from the attic and brought it down here into the tub to nest. And you can see the amount of rodent droppings here, just completely infested. So what we're gonna do now is this is the pipe right here, the vent pipes. We're gonna have to trace this out here and see where they're coming in. All right, folks, so check this out here. This is where the source is. They've chewed the ventilation pipe right there, folks. Look at this hole here. Well, there you have it, folks. We were able to pinpoint exactly where those rodents were coming in. You see, when you've got proper skill, the right technology, it's going to save you thousands of dollars and a lot of frustration.